Hello friends, I am Parvinder Randhawa Guru. You are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Above all, I always say to you, please like, comment and share my YouTube channel, and please subscribe this channel because this channel has something uniqueness, and you know that it needs really a kind of subscription on which pattern the channel is working. So let's start this one. This is writing task 2 video, which is in English. Previously I made this video in Hindi. So this is my writing task which I have selected so that I can discuss. In this video I am just going to discuss my writing task. Then you people please do it by yourself because I am just giving you points and highlighting the main issue on which the writing task is based. So here the topic is this one, that many working people get little or no exercise either during the work day or in their free time, have health problems as a result. So this all statement what is given in front of us, many working people get little, or there is no complete people, only the person is saying many working people. So many may be 60, 70, 80, 90 but not equals to 100. Little or no exercise, right, either during the working day or if they are free then they are not doing, naturally they are getting health problems. Why do many working people not get enough exercise? What's the reason? We have to tell. So this is my para 2. What can be done about this problem? This is my para 3. So my system says whether you can make 5 paras, no problem, you can make 3 paras, no problem, but I always recommend 4 paras. There is a reason, not a strong one, but it my mind, and it says that 4 paras are sufficient to give my the beautification to my writing. So first of all we have to write an intro in which we have to state what's our language, and second we have to write the answer of why, and in third what, that's the solution, and fourth we have to go with the conclusion. So always start your introduction with the universal talk. You can write anything about the health, you know better that what to write because this is your task, a kind of home task for you, you have to do by yourself. So it is true that many working people are burdened with professional life in such a manner that they do not spare a single second to maintain fitness level. Repeat, it is true that many working people are burdened with professional life in such a manner that they do not spare a single second to maintain fitness level. So you can check here, many working people during the or in their free time have health problems as a result. So it's just the copy of this statement, nothing else, but molded in a different manner so that the examiner will not mark my writing as a copy statement. Now the question states, because I like to raise questions to myself, how it affects large number of people, that it affects. This is my point here, right? So first of all, I am going to discuss the reasons. The main reason is the financial success. Everybody is running behind the money. The main thing is that they want to utilize their maximum time in earning money. Whether it is the demand of job, means the main point in para 2 is that write 1 or 2 points, or I want to say just write 1 point and try to explain that point in a better manner. Understand my language. Instead of writing 2 or 3 points, just write 1 point, explain it how much you can, because this is the main point. Make other points the sub points here. Okay my dear. So it may be demand of job, that is career oriented, or some people are creative in their skills and they want to do something better, that's why they kill their leisure time. So to attach the things you can work on connectors. Even if you want to check the full answer, you can check my writing playlist, you will get your answer in that. And if you want to check the connector video, you can check any playlist, I have uploaded connector video in that, right? And for grammar portion, because this statement is in simple present, there is no past tense here, so I can use simple present as well as present perfect. right? So let's go to the here. So my first point states that the financial success, I have to explain it properly. Now financial success, it is never been completed if I don't state the family, because naturally family is the major thing behind the financial success. And in family, the thing is that there are two kind of things for which I want to say. In some states, that in developed countries the government is providing all the facility, still people are earning to give better to their family. But in developing states there is almost 0 point of we can say that help from the government. So naturally people are doing more here. So this is the point. That's why the lifestyle and other things. But I don't want to write so many things. I don't want to get myself encircled in unnecessarily ideas. My topic is straight and I have to write in a straight manner. So what's the point here? My family is there. So for family I have to work, and some people are working beyond the limits of their healthy lifestyle. So that's the thing here. And for some individuals, I have made a statement here. You can check, please. For some individuals, family sport become burning issue to perform working hours. This is further claimed for these. Just a moment. For these dwellers, as they want to provide better amenities to their household. So in this way, now the thing is that first I have started, for some individuals family sport become burning issue to perform working hours. This is further claimed. It means what I am doing with this, I am trying to attach the thing. This is further claimed for these dwellers as they want to provide better amenities to their households. Right? Now comes, this is my para 2 completed, and I have written 2 or 1 point, but I prefer just to write 1 point only. In third, I have to give the solutions because they have written here what can be done about this problem. So the main point is here my time management. If you can easily manage your time, you will get your answer of every problem in your life. So time management schedule, it is only possible when you have a desire, and it is only possible when you follow the pattern. Just we can give an example also. It means time management is a big point or the main point, but we can make sub points in it, and we have to write whatever we have to write in this time management or under the point of time management. Because the writing demands that you have to write less points, but you have to explain more. So I have to work on this issue. Then comes your mad race and meditation. If you want to go with it, there is an example here of elevator, that if people are using elevator and they are not getting time, so for some moment they can use stairs also. Naturally, and we can say occasionally or on regular basis they are doing exercise. Instead of using elevators, they are burning their calories in while moving on the stairs. Now this is my third para. Fourth para, that is end, and we can say that a kind of conclusion we can say, right? It's a conclusion. Healthy life we have to maintain, and because I have written here heal, because healthy word comes from the root heal, which means to live happy, nothing else. Heal, you know better that what's the meaning of a heal. Now the point is that we have to maintain balance, and if we maintain a balanced lifestyle, naturally the work whatever we are doing, it will give efficient results. If we are doing overburden, if we are burdened with the work, we can't give efficient, right, we can say output. So for an efficient output or for a very smart output, we should be very much balanced in our life. And we can change our lifestyle also. A small change in lifestyle can change you. Remember this thing. So this is the writing task complete. I have given you points. Now it's your duty to do the home task, because if I will write, that's a kind of memory for you. I don't want. If you want to check sample, you can check the writing playlist, in writing playlist, you can check the video. So my request is that please do it and practice by yourself, because it's very much necessary, and try to do this writing within 40 minutes. That's the main thing here. So I request you to all who are watching or who are going to watch, please do this. And second thing is that I am whose exam is coming, whether it is of computer or pen paper based exam, best of luck to these people, so that they can achieve their desired band, whatever is their requirement. And you are watching YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Please like, comment and share, and always I say subscribe my YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. This channel needs your a great motivation, right? So try to motivate this channel, because this channel is doing something different from all. So once again, thanks to all, best of luck to the candidates who are going to appear in the coming exams, or best of luck to all the candidates who are watching this video. Thanks once again.